98 98 013
र 98 185 063 17।
ए जी बाजार जाई छी है लहंगा किन के ले आयल छी ले जाऊ फेर देम दुकान में।
हे हम तो अपने के पहले ही कहले रही लहंगा सियावे के बाद चल जाओ गौरा में रहल सलोनी लेडीज टेलर में, जहाँ बा मन पसंद लहंगा सिलाई करे के साथे नया सिलाई मशीन भी मिलल।
The voice of midnight. रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Namaste, a very good morning, my dear students. It's time to Radio Online Education Program 2077, which is sponsored by Radio Media Partner Radio Madras Masala and Nepal Police School. And of course, the day is going to continue. Our school has sponsored a type of program that radio online education program, and which is especially for the student of class 2 to 5. That program is running every Sunday to Friday as per usual time that we have provided to you in the messenger. So without wasting of our time, I would like to request our Mr. Santosh Thakur sir, Santosh Kumar Thakur sir, welcome here in our studio, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Santosh sir, of course the day is going very smoothly, and our program is running very well, and our audience viewers are giving the very good feedback for this program. So of course I would like to thank you all the viewers, those viewers who is giving us the full support for the feedback. Okay sir, without wasting of our time, I would like to request you please carry on which subject and which class that you are teaching now.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sir. Good morning to you all. As you know that on last Sunday,
Yes sir.
we learned in class 2. So this is the first year, so now we learn class 2 here, and in class 2 last Sunday we learned about number systems.
Sure,
Yes,
sir, sure, sir.
in number systems we discussed many more on the different topics, like as counting, okay, counting number, okay, writing number, then after odd number and even number. On these 4 topics we discussed on last Sunday.
Sure,
According to these 4 number systems, okay, or the types of numbers, now or today, we will discuss the formation of number, okay, how the number forms, or that means while formatting the numbers there we use different types of digits, okay.
Yes.
On last Sunday we discussed counting, or number means a digit, okay. So while writing or counting the numbers, we use 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, similarly 10, okay, 20, like this, okay. These all are known by numbers, where these are known by also digits, okay.
Yes sir.
So also these are the formation of number, or the numbers formed after joining some by the help of digits, okay.
Yes.
Where today we will discuss on 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digits number, okay. Before that, okay, let's go to know some memorable things or memorable facts about number systems, okay. For that, as we know that one is formed, this is a number, okay. This is a number or digit, we can say that, or this is the digit, that means this is the number formed by one digit. Okay.
Yes.
In the same way 2, this is also formed by one digit. In the same way 3, in the same way 4, same way 5, same way 6, okay, up to 9. Okay, that means
excuse me, Santosh sir. Of course, maybe I think we have already revised that thing in our last classes. But I would like to request you, please please write down here about the topics. So that's because our viewers can easily identify which topic that you are going to teach here in the studio. Thanks, sir. Please carry on. Okay, my dear student and FM listeners, here in Radio Masala 106.4 megahertz. It's running radio educational program 2077 especially for you during the lockdown period. So I hope you all the students you must follow the guideline of our respected Santosh Thakur sir, and in our studio all these types of concept of counting and writing numbers he is providing right now, and I will revise the same thing time to time. So just concentrate in your study. Thank you. You can give me proceed, sir. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, we was just dealing about counting and writing number that I have told them in the first. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So here 1 formed by one digit in the same way up to 9. Okay. There are 9 digits or also 10. Okay. According including 0.
Yes.
There are 10 digits. Okay. Which are made by there are 9 numbers which are 10 number which are made by 9 digits. Okay, from 0 to 9, 0 to 9. Okay, where if we talk about whole number, okay, then only 0 include in the number system. Okay,
Sure.
or if we talk about integer, otherwise if we talk about counting number or writing number, okay, in writing number every numbers can come, but if we talk about the counting numbers, okay,
Sure, sir.
the numbers should be started from 1 only. Okay, 1 to infinite. In the same way, so this 1, okay, the smallest number, okay, smallest, okay, one digit number is equal to 1. Okay.
Sure.
1 is the smallest number of one digit.
Sure.
Okay, because it has only one digit. Okay, in the same way the greatest one digit number is greatest one digit number is 9. Okay,
Sure.
in the same way other numbers are also formed. Okay, let's talk about such numbers. Okay, now here, okay, digits.
Sir, you carry on. I'm just coming back. Okay, you carry on.
Digits. In the same way, a smaller number, greater number. Or we can also write a smaller, like it means least number. Okay, least number, where we can know, we know that one digit, that means one digit. Okay, one digit least number is 1. In the same way greatest number is 9, where 2 digit small least number is 1 and 0. Okay, because we start, or the two digit number starts from 10. Okay, 1 and 0. There are 2 digits to and with combine of 1 and 0, okay, it forms 10. Okay, that means 10 holds 2 digits. Okay, in that, so that 10 is the first 2 digit number, so that we can say 10 is the also least number of 2 digits. In the same way, from 10 to 99, okay, 99, this is the last 2 digit number. Okay, from after 99 there may comes, okay, 100, which is 3 digits number, because it consists 1 and 2 zeros. Okay, so that it consists, it is 100 is made up of joining one digit 1 and 2 digits 0. So that,
Thanks, sir. Okay.
so that 100 is known by the number which is formed by 3 digits. In the same way, so that 99 is the greatest number of 2 digits. Okay. In the same, after 2 digits, we have 3 digits number. Okay. In the same way, okay, the first 3 digit number is what? 100. Okay. The first 3 digit number is 100. Okay. How? Because there are 2 zeros and 1 ones. Okay. So that 1, 10, 100. Okay. There are 3 digits. Okay. In 100. So that this is the first also. So that this is the smallest 3 digit number. Okay. We can count the digit 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. So in the same way, okay, what is the greatest number of 3 digits? In that the hundreds goes. Okay. When we write 1000, we need 3 digits and 1 1. It means it is 4 digits number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Before 1000, we have 999. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 999 is the greatest number of 3 digits. Okay. In the same way, 4 digit we write 3011. That means 1000. Okay. Having 4 digits. Okay. Then after, the greatest number of 4 digits is 49. Okay. We should write 49. In the same way, 5 digit greatest number. Okay. There 11 and 4 zeros. To make, we should write the least number of 4 digits, 11 and 4 zeros. Okay, that is altogether 5 digits. Or this is 10,000 is the first letter, or the first number which is made by 5 digits. Okay.
Yes.
In the same way, the greatest number is 9959. Okay, that means 99,999. Okay, that is the greatest number or least number, or the greatest number or least number can be classified according to this fact. Okay, of 1 digit or 2 up to ... Okay,
Yes.
whatever you need. Okay, that you can find or form the least number or greatest number in the same way. Okay, now this is, suppose this is 9. Okay, this is 9, and when we add, okay, 1 to 9. Okay,
Sure.
when we add 1 to 9, we get 10. Okay, which is the smallest number of 2 digit. Okay,
Yes. Sure.
which is the smallest number of 2 digits. So this is a trick to find the smallest and greatest number. Okay, when we subtract, okay, when we subtract 1 from the 10, we get 9, which is the smallest number of, greatest number of 1 digit. Okay, that means what? If we subtract 1, okay, if we subtract 1 from the greatest number, then we will get the least number. Okay,
Yes, yes.
or the previous.
Yes.
In the same way, when we add the greatest number, when we add 1 to the greatest number, then we will get the next smallest number. Okay, suppose if we add 1 to the first greatest number 9, we get here, we got 10, which is the smallest or least number of 2 digit.
Yes.
Okay, next number. Then after, suppose when we subtracted 1 from 10, we got 9, which is the previous number of greatest, or which is the previous digit or the previous greatest number.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes.
In the same way, we can find by using these tricks. Okay. Now after we are,
Can carry on.
yeah. Now after we are going to learn about the smallest, greatest of other numbers. Okay.
Okay, of course, my dear students, for class 2, I would like to request you, my dear students, my viewers, please look at the board. Those viewers are looking in the screen over there, and FM listeners, please listen the sound carefully. Santosh Kumar Thakur sir has written in our board about the number related concept. How can we find out a smallest number and the biggest number, right sir?
Yeah.
Okay, so you may proceed, sir.
Okay. Now, yeah, we learn about different counting numbers. Yeah. So the smallest. Okay. Here now we are going to write a smallest. Okay. Counting number. Okay, smallest counting number is 1. Okay,
Yes.
because we start to count the number by 1. Okay, so that the smallest counting number is 1, where the greatest counting number is equal to what? Infinite. That is not defined. Okay, not defined. That
It's not
is
fixed.
not fixed.
Oh,
Where the last digit, or what is the last digit or number of greatest number of counting number? Okay, so that
Excuse me, sir, there is
yeah.
there is the such types of symbol also, right, sir?
yeah.
That symbol please write here. Okay, this
Okay,
is the symbol.
This is the symbol
Yes.
to write or to significant the infinite. Okay, it becomes undefined. That's why we use infinite. Okay, because the number becomes undefined.
Yes.
Sorry, undefinite or undefined. That's why we use here unfinite. Okay, it means we don't know what is the last number or what is the greatest number.
Sure, sir.
Okay, and because of we don't know the last number, so that we don't know about the greatest number. Okay, that is the main cause. Okay, that's why the things that we don't know or that go away. Okay, which has which has not in point or in number, that can be written by infinite. Okay.
Okay, Santosh Thakur sir, I want to add one more thing here
Yeah,
in the counting number system, because for my viewers and listeners of Radio Madras Masala 106.4 MHz, those who are stay tuned Radio Madras Masala 106.4 MHz for the listening of this program.
Yeah.
Of course, it has been given here the concept about a small counting number,
Yeah.
and what about the concept of zero? When how
Just
can we define
now-
this
now- now
the
we are
smallest and of greatest?
Yeah, now we are
Okay.
going to talk
Okay,
about
sir.
that.
Okay, thanks, sir.
In the same
Please.
way, counting number means also natural number. Okay,
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
what is the natural number? That is same to same counting number. Okay,
Yes.
that is similar to counting number.
Yes.
That so we can also write here a smallest natural number. Natural number is equal to 1. Okay, same,
Yes.
because natural number is also started from 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, greatest natural number is infinite. Same way,
Yes.
what is the counting number? Natural number and counting number both are same,
Same.
except whole number. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, of course.
Well, in whole number, the smallest number is, that means the smallest whole number is equal to 0.
Zero,
Okay.
yes.
How 0 is come inside whole number? Okay.
So it could
Yeah.
be defined as a smallest whole number.
The
as a zero,
smallest
right?
whole number as a
Yeah,
0. Okay.
okay.
Sometimes,
Yes,
okay, while adding or subtracting the different numbers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the students of class 2, they have already learned the addition or subtraction of 2 digit or 3 digits, 1 digits, 2, okay, in class 1. Okay, so
Yes.
for them we have a questions like this. Okay, when we need to add, okay, suppose 2 plus 2, what is the answer?
Of
Four.
course,
Of course 4. Yes.
Yes, sir.
But when we subtract 2 minus 2, that means 2 from 2, then what will be the answer? We
Zero.
will get 0. Okay?
Yes.
That means 0 is not counting number, 0 is not natural number, but according to this fact, okay,
Yes.
we got 0. Okay?
There
That's
can be
why,
zero here.
yeah, we got 0.
Yes.
So that what? 0 is also significating, okay,
Sure.
or obtaining in the number systems, but this is classified into whole number. Okay.
Yes. Sure, sir. Of course.
Okay.
Of course, my dear student, about the smallest counting number here in our studio, our
Then
respected
after-
Santosh- okay, may I proceed, sir?
Greatest whole number. Whole number is also infinite. Okay, that is indefinite. Okay, in the same way, smallest. We learned last Sunday even number and odd number also. Okay, so that smallest even number is equal to, okay. On last Sunday we discussed the even number starts from 2, okay. That means what is the starting number? That is the smallest one, okay.
That is the smallest number of this
Of the
counting number, right?
no, even number.
Sorry,
Yeah, 2 is the smallest even number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the same way, greatest even number
Sure.
is equal to infinite. It means indefinite.
Indefinite.
Okay.
So it's all are the basic rules that we need to follow
Yeah,
before we
follow
are
in numbers.
counting the numbers,
Yeah,
right, sir?
yeah.
The concept of counting numbers must be clear first.
Yeah.
Then after we can count and rewrite the number very easily.
Yeah,
right, sir?
yeah.
Okay.
In the same way, a smallest odd number. We also learned about odd number last Sunday, so that we need to know about this. And the odd number is started from 1. Okay,
Yes.
1, then after 3, then after 5. And the difference of 2 consecutive odd numbers is 2.
Yes,
That
yes.
we learned on last Sunday. Okay, so the number odd is started from 1. So that's what the smallest odd number is, 1. Then after the greatest odd number is equal to infinite or indefinite. Okay.
Yes.
In this way, for class 2, these are the most memorable facts or memorable things according to numbers, or before that they learned.
Yes.
Okay, that these are the most important or memorable things for you. Okay.
Okay.
So for now we have, for today's, okay, our class is finished. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now this is the time for homework assignments. So dear students, please take out your copy and pencils, okay, to write your homework.
Yeah, of course, my dear students of class 2, here in our studio by radio on radio education program 2077, sponsored by media partner Radio Mdes Masala and Nepal Police School. And respected Santosh Thakur sir has assigned here your homework. That homework is going to write here in the board. You can follow the steps and write the questions in your copy.
Okay.
So you carry on. Thanks, sir.
The first question is, what is the least 2 digits number? Okay.
Sure, sir.
What is the least 2 digits number? In the same way, the second question is, what is the least 6 digits number? Then after, in question number 3, what is the greatest 3 digits number?
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Okay, you may proceed. We have already crossed
Okay.
the limits of our time.
What is the greatest whole number? And the last question is, what is the greatest even number? Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Santosh sir. Of course, it's time to very short commercial break. And of course, after short commercial break, we are here in studio again, and we will start the next classes. Of course, this program, Radio Educational 2077, the program is running by our Radio Mdes Masala and Nepal Police School, which is sponsored by the Nepal Police School that you know already. And I would like to request to all the students, please rewrite the related concept of our related chapter very carefully. See you after commercial break. Thank you.
रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4 मेगाहर्ट्ज में अब समय है व्यापारिक विश्राम के। तब तक अपने भी हाथ साबुन पानी से मल मल के धो के आओ। कोरोना वायरस से अपने भी बचो और दूसरों के बचाओ।
कोरोना वायरस कोविड-19 के ये महामारी में घर भीतर या घर बाहर शारीरिक, मानसिक एवं यौन जन्य हिंसा हो सकले।
गाली गलौज, कूटपीट, भय त्रास जैसन दंडनीय अपराध होइत है या देख रहल बाड़ी तो पैसा न लागे वाला नेपाल प्रहरी के फोन नंबर 100 में जानकारी कराओ।
बाल बालिका, गर्भवती, सुतकेरी, वृद्ध व्यक्ति, मुटु आ चीनी रोगी के विशेष ख्याल करो। साबुन पानी से हाथ धो, मास्क लगाओ आ 1 मीटर के दूरी पे ही रहो। अपने बचो और के बचाओ।
IR नेपाल एवं RDC नेपाल रौतहट द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश।
सूचना 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 कोरोना वायरस संक्रमण संबंधी अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना। हाल विश्व भर फैल रहल कोरोना वायरस से नेपाल उच्च जोखिम में रहल। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के प्रतिवेदन अनुसार कोरोना वायरस से हो रहल आ हो सके वाला संभावित जोखिम से बचेला कोनो किस्म के सभा, जुलूस, मेला आदि न करे न करावे के लिए अनुरोध कल जाइत है। कोरोना वायरस से बचे वाला उपाय: भीड़ से बचो, चले के समय मास्क के प्रयोग करो, साबुन पानी से नियमित हाथ धो, कम पाकल मांस मछली न खाओ, दही, दूध, घी, पनीर आदि के सेवन करो, सड़ल खाए वाला चीज न खाओ, खाए वाला चीज के नीमन से धो के आ अच्छा से पका के मात्र खाओ, एक आपस में अभिवादन कैला पर नमस्ते करो, हाथ न मिलाओ, एक आपस में शारीरिक दूरी कायम रखो, खोखला पड़े या छींक आयला पर आगाड़ी के व्यक्ति के विपरीत दिशा में अपन मुख छोपू। रोग संक्रमण लागल संख्या लागला में स्वास्थ्य तथा रोग नियंत्रण कार्यालय के कॉल सेंटर नंबर 1339 में जानकारी दियो तथा चिकित्सक संगे संपर्क करो। दैनिक रूप में पानी गर्म करके मात्र प्रयोग करो। ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एसोसिएशन ऑफ नेपाल आ रेडियो मधेश मसला गौड़ा द्वारा जनहित में जारी संदेश। The Voice of Midnight. रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Welcome back one more time here in Radio Mudhesh Masala 106.4 MHz, and of course sponsored by Radio Mudhesh Masala 106.4 MHz and media partner sponsored by Nepal Police School and media partner supported by our Radio Mudhesh Masala 106.4 MHz is starting the class radio educational program 2077 every Sunday to Friday as per the usual time that we have shared to you. And I would like to request you all the viewers, please like the page of Radio Mudhesh Masala and hit the bell icon. That's because when we are taking our class in our studio, that video it can automatically send to you in your Facebook account. So I would like to request our Santosh Kumar Thakur sir, you carry on because we are here in the live and we don't have enough time and we have only 30 minutes. So please
Okay,
carry
thank
on.
you, sir.
Thanks, sir. Okay.
Okay, good morning to you all again of
Yes.
class 3 students. Okay, here in class 3, okay, now this is the second shift,
Yes, sir.
yeah, of class 3 maths. In class 3 maths, on last Sunday we learned or discussed on the geometry,
Sure,
okay,
sure.
point, ray, line segments or the parts of lines,
Yes, sir.
yeah, or types of lines.
Yes, sir.
Okay, according to that facts or that we have here more 3 type of lines, okay,
Yes,
that today we are going to discuss. Okay, the first one is vertical line segment. Vertical line segment. Okay, then after while defining, okay, just we define it, okay, vertical line segment. Simply, I think you know or concept it what is vertical line segments. Okay, this is a part of line, okay, which represents as a perpendicular form to the base. Okay,
Sure.
the line which form, okay, perpendicularly, okay, to the base is especially known as vertical line segment. Okay, especially we use this vertical line segment, okay, to construct perpendicular line, okay, to form 90 degree, that means to form 90 degree angle of 90 degree. In the same way to construct rectangle, a square, okay, in the same way triangle, right angle triangle, or other, it is etc etc. Okay, so this is a part of line. Okay, this is a part of line, okay, which is drawn perpendicularly. Okay, in the same way the second one, okay, for their examples we will learn after finishing this line segments, okay, with figure, okay. Then after horizontal line segment, okay, horizontal line segments. You know, okay, what is the horizontal line segment or horizontal forms, okay. While solving addition or subtractions, we use two methods, okay, especially. Let's go through the addition or subtraction to concept it, okay. When we add the number like this, okay, up and down, suppose, okay, if we write 2 as up and 3 as down and then we add, okay, then this formation is known by vertical line segment, okay. This is a vertically method, okay, vertical method to find the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division too, okay. But if we write like this, 2 plus 3, okay, in the same line, okay, in the same line, so this we got 5, then after, okay, this is the method, or this method is known as horizontal method, okay. So in the same way, horizontal lines represent the same facts, okay, while constructing the figures, okay. So that the line which is in sleeping form is known as what? Horizontal line segment, okay.
Sure.
Then after the third line is, okay, slanting line segment. Slanting line, yeah. As we have seen already that, or we all have seen such type of things like ladder, okay, ladder that is in the form of slant, okay. When we use the ladder, we need to make or we need to situate or fix that ladder in the form of slant form, okay, slanting form, okay.
Sure.
In the same way, this line is also in the form of slanting. That's while defining, you can define it like this: the line which is in the form of slant is known as slanting line segment, okay.
Yes.
So for example, of each line. Okay, suppose this line may be, you can find
We can
this-
draw here, sir.
we can draw here a figure. Okay,
then.
so for example we can give here, so some lines can be drawn like this. Okay, here A B, yeah,
Yes.
A B. Okay, this line's name is AB, and this is in the form of a straight. Okay, a straight, that means that should be standing erect. Okay,
Yes, sir. of
okay,
course.
so the line which stands erect, okay, in the by making the angle of 90 degree with the base, such type of lines are known as vertical line segments. Okay, in the same way for horizontal line, somewhere you can find the line like this. Okay, like a straight line. Okay, or all the straight lines which is lying down in the form of sleeping. Okay, that is given in the form of sleeping form. Okay, that should be called, okay, horizontal line segment. In the same way, slanting line. Okay, somewhere you can find the line like this. Okay, okay, in the form of some slant. Okay, that is, okay, especially known by slanting line segment. Okay, while drawing the figure by using such line segments, okay, we use these three lines to construct, to form, to make the different figures, okay, that we discussed today here. Such lines or such figures are like this. Suppose somewhere to draw a triangle, we use one slant line, okay, that means second slant line, and then after, what is this? Horizontal line. Okay, by joining two slant line and one horizontal line, we form a triangle. That's named by A, B, C. Yes?
Yes.
So here line AB. Okay, so here AB is, okay, what is
Slant line.
slanting line segment. Okay,
Yes,
in the
sir.
same way AC are also slanting line segment. Okay, AC is a slanting line segment.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
in the same way here BC, we have this third line segments BC. As we know that there are three line segments, okay, in a triangle. A triangle is a figure which is formed by joining three line segments. So we have here three line segments. From them, two are, okay, slanting line segment. Okay, sorry, slanting line segment, and the third one which is in the form of base, that is, okay, horizontal. That means BC is a horizontal line segment. Okay, in this way, okay, suppose we have triangle, right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, we can use these three lines, okay, at once. Suppose A, B, C. Here, AB is, okay, significating, okay, or defining the vertical line segment, because this is in the form of, okay, what
90
perpendicular, than 90 degree. Okay,
yes, sir.
it is standing erect to the base of the triangle, so that here AB is a vertical line segment. Okay,
Sure, sir.
in the same way BC is a, okay, horizontal okay, line segment. Okay, in this way AC is a what type of line segment? Slanting line segment. Slanting line segment. Okay, so in this way, okay, we can find some different type of lines, okay, which forms different type of figures. Okay, somewhere we can find, okay, rectangle too. Okay, suppose this is a type of rectangle.
Yes.
Okay, a
Yes.
rectangle has two vertical line and two, okay, that means horizontal line.
line.
In the same way, a square has also two vertical line and two horizontal line. Okay, in this way we can say that according to that facts, okay, in the right angle triangle, these all can be found. This one is Okay,
It's okay.
this line is okay slanting line. Slanting. This one is
Horizontal.
horizontal, and the perpendicular line is vertical.
Vertical line.
Okay, these are the three line segments which forms any figures
It means
that we need.
It means about the concept of the lining segment.
Yeah, concept by using these concepts, we can form different types of figures.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
of geometrical figures.
Yes.
Okay, like a triangle, a square, okay, rectangle, like this. Okay, by using line or points. Okay,
Sure.
without line and points, we can't form any types of figures. Okay, that can be used in geometry.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, of course, my dear students, here in our studio, our Santosh sir is writing here in the board about the related geometry, related concept of line segment. How can we draw rectangle and a square, that type of related picture. And in the picture, there are the different types of line segment can cross to each other, right, sir?
Yeah.
And that's because we can create different types of picture like rectangle. Okay, so my dear students, we hope all the students can easily listen by radio about the line segment that we are discussing here in our studio. And for your kind information, I would like to request you all the FM listeners and my viewers. Of course, this program is running every Sunday to Friday as per the usual time that we have already provided to you. And I would like to request you all the viewers, please like and subscribe and share also. That's because lots of comments and view we will get, and we will get the chance to rectify some errors that we are doing here in our studio. Okay, so thank you. You may proceed, sir.
Okay, so
Thanks,
thank
sir.
you. Okay, so sometimes you will get some questions like this. Okay, that means we are going to discuss on different exercises.
Sure.
Okay,
Sure.
relating to lines, points, or others. Okay, so sometimes you have given some figures. Okay, like choose the correct answer for the given lines or given figures. Given figures.
Okay.
In that,
Let's choose that change. Yeah.
okay, sorry.
It's
Okay, so here sometimes you have given the line like this. Okay, suppose in question number 8, suppose your question that should be given the line like as half moon. Okay,
Half moon, yes,
half
sir.
moon.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, half moon, or like as hasiya.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
That means what that is here by the naming A, B, C, D, X, Y. That means by the other names too.
Yes, sir.
There we can we use the letters A, B to write the name of figures. Okay.
Sure.
So there choose the correct answer for the given figures, and you have given the list of different lines or the figures names. Okay, that means point. Okay, line. Okay, curved line, line segment. Okay, suppose this type of lines are names are given,
Yes.
and you have to select any one from them to identify, to give the name of the given figures.
Yes,
Okay,
of course.
so now tell me what is the correct name of the given half moon shape line, which is represented by AB from point, line segment, or curve line. Okay,
I think my dear student can guess very easily because the students is very genius. They can create many more creations, lots of creations we have. So of course they can easily identify, and for the support of my dear student, I would like to tell you, of course, it's a chord line.
Yeah,
I
thank
think
you.
so.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, very good. Okay. So here, this line is, okay, curved line. That means AB is a curved line. We should write like this. AB is a curved line.
Sure.
No, only AB is a line. Okay. We should write AB is a curved line. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks.
In this way, okay, we have also some types of questions. Okay.
Yes, sir. Well, of course, our respected Santosh Thakur sir has presenting here in our studio about the different types of line segment. How can we identify the different types of structure of the line that we are drawing in our related geometry with the help of the geometry instruments, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
And about the shape of the rectangle, square, etc.
Yeah.
That type of image, that type of photo, when we are drawing, what type of rectangle, in this rectangle line, what type of line segment has been added to each other. That concept, it has been already clear, I think. So you may proceed, sir.
Now, in the same way, the second question will be asked to you like this. Okay, your question is like this. Okay,
Sure.
suppose let's
Yes, sir.
join the points. Okay, or let's join the given points or points. Okay, to form to form the line segments.
Yes.
Line segments or straight lines, we can say that both. Okay, so line segments, okay, by using the scale, okay, or ruler, okay, in the same way, or centimeter scale, okay, that is line segments, and name them here.
Yes.
Okay, right now we have learned that about the types of line segment, lines, points, okay, line segments, etc. Okay, on last Sunday and today too, before giving such type of questions.
Yes.
Okay, from there, okay, suppose we have given 2 points like this in the same line. Okay, in the same line we have given a point A, and after some way, or okay, at a distance, or after taking some distance, in the same line there is given point B. Okay,
Yes.
in this condition, okay, this we should join AB. Okay, when we join AB, it forms a straight line. Okay, or we can say that line segment.
Yes.
Okay, but this is also known by whatever line. Now just after a minute we learn this.
Yeah.
Okay,
Before we have already discussed
Yeah.
that line.
before about this type of lines. Okay, so now tell me the name of the line. Okay, so thank you. The name of the line is AB is a, okay, what, horizontal line segment. Okay, horizontal line segment.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah, of course.
in the same way, suppose somewhere you have given the point up and down, okay, and the name by the indicating
X, Y.
point X and Y. In the same way, we should join that 2 points by using a scale. Okay, I am not using a scale, so my line is becoming curved. Okay,
Yes.
so no matter, you have to, okay, students should use the scale to draw such type of lines.
Very
Okay,
straight.
to make that straight. Okay,
Yeah.
so here now tell me the name of this line segment. Okay, this is the XY line segment. Okay, which is a, okay, vertical line segment. Okay, in the same way, I hope you will do, or you can find all the type of, okay, line segment, or you can name the type of line segments okay, by your own. Thank you. Now the time is for homework, okay.
Yes. Well, my dear students, of course, about the related concept of line segments that you have already captured the different types of idea, knowledge, how can you draw, sketch the different types of lining concept. And for the related chapter, our Santosh sir has going to describe here your homework. So I would like to request you all the students, please write the homework in your diary and complete the assignment on the time. That's because you can learn and you can find out different types of confusion of the concept
Okay.
of lining system. Okay, so you will proceed, sir.
Thank you, sir. So the first homework, what our first homework is like this, okay. Define the following. Define the following, okay,
Sure, sir.
with example. Okay, in that, in question number A, there is, okay, vertical line segment. Okay, B number is, okay, slanting line segment. Okay, you have to define these two lines with examples, okay, by drawing a figure. Okay, the same way question number 2, okay, let's write, okay, you have to, okay, write the vertical, horizontal or slanting line segments from the given figure. Okay, so the first question, you have to draw any type of picture of, okay, rectangle, okay, by naming, by naming W, X, Y, Z. Okay.
Sure.
The second question, okay, you have to draw a right angle triangle. Okay. So that first you have to draw a straight line up to down. Then after join their down part, okay, with the base. Okay, baseline. You have to draw the baseline by joining that perpendicularly, and then after close that figure by using slanting line. Okay, by like that using ladder line. Okay, by naming M and O. Thank you. These
Okay.
are the homeworks, and I hope you will do this to performing or to develop your knowledge. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Santosh sir. Here in our studio, you will invest your time for the very correct and formation of the education line that we are giving here in the studio. So thank you so much. And of course, it's time to go now. So before we leave here from my studio, I would like to request you all the viewers, FM listeners, those who are in the online, please like and subscribe and must be shared. That's because we can filter the suggestions from your side, and of course we will rectify the errors from my side or from our related subject matter. We can easily rectify. So before we go from here on the studio, I would like to request you one more thing. There is the different types of concept that we are taking by our seniors also sometime, and it's time to go now. So thanks for being with us. Thanks to my colleagues RJ Suraj for the technical support. Have a good day. Namaste. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Namaste.